Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use fancy zones in your Windows PowerToys. So let's get straight into it. This is for creating complex window layouts for efficient multitasking. So let's go through the activation and basic use. Okay, so snap with mouse. So click and drag a window. So if I do like this, that I'm dragging now, while dragging, hold the Shift key to reveal the zones. So as you can see here, we have 3 zones right over here. So drop the window into a highlighted zone to snap it like that. Or I can do that with the other one on the left. It will be like that. Okay. Now, if we want to snap with keyboard, if it's enabled in settings, use Windows, use Window plus arrow key. So if I do that, as you can see, I can navigate this window wherever I want. I'm just holding the window key and the arrow. Doesn't matter which one, just needs to be arrow key. So with that, you will snap the active window between zones. So if multiple windows are in the same zone, use Windows plus page up, page down. So I will show you quickly. So if I have like something like that for now, sorry, I will go with that one right here. And now if I use window key and page up, page down, I can move these windows as I want to place them in my screen. So this is how you can use fancy zones with Microsoft PowerToys. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.